Hey guys, welcome again to my channel. My name is Gary, aka Lashes Journey, and I just want to show you guys before the season start or what we have working with. So we have this side of the yard that I have a lot of plants for this year. I want to plant a lot of watermelon, a lot of pumpkins, okras, a lot of squash, a lot of cucumber, and just a lot of other food. So this part of the yard, I don't use it too much, but it gets sun there. It's 10 a.m. and you can tell the sun is over here. So I think the sun is over here early. So let's take a look. So this spring, what we'll be planting lots and lots of food. I have a seed starter bed back here. A lot of the seeds already start. Those are kayaks. We need to sell them or something. We don't kayak no more. And this is just a pile of compost or soil. And this is what I'm working with. So what I want to do, I'm going to till the soil. I'm going to make rows and rows. Like I see my dad used to do, make rows just for food rows. This is what I was doing this morning. I've been out there and doing the trampoline and doing a lot of stuff. A lot of fruit trees. But this is a plan I have for over here. So you guys, those are blackberry. You guys can help me with it. I'll greatly appreciate it. Just let me know just some ideas. This is a raised bed. It's our potato bed. It was a big bed we have in the middle, so I'll go ahead and divide it up. So this right now, as you see, I just started working. I'm just gonna make rows. There's a yam meal right there. There's a bunch of yam in there, and this is just a little something for the grapes. That's a grape right there. That's another Concord grape, and a bunch of muscadine. Hope they come back. But this is what we have working with. I did make a little trellis, something to put for the vine to go on. I also have the purple some passion fruits that's gonna run on top of that too. Sometimes I think to just put it on some of the trees over there and let it just keep going. But I'm gonna put a watermelon patch right here. Those are pine. I did plant some pineapple. Not going well, but yeah, that's some of the work that I'm actually doing. So hey guys, welcome again. So this is the space that I just showed you guys. So what I did, I work up the space. I create some hills because I notice a lot of the raised beds are expensive. I know if you guys are renting, you cannot dig in somebody's property or to plant stuff. So if you're renting, it's good to put raised bed down or use grow bags. I use a lot of grow bags. I use a few raised beds, but I noticed the raised beds are expensive. Or you can make your raised bed. You can make raised bed too, buy the wood and make the raised bed. But if you're like me that don't want to do too much work, I just go straight to my soil or my ground and I dig into the ground. As you see, I have a lot of sand down here, so I have to buy soil. So what I do, I go ahead and make hill. I remember as a kid or growing up on the island, my dad used to make like a lot of yam meal. He used to work up the ground. We never have raised bed, never seen a raised bed when I was growing up. So I decided instead of put a bunch of raised bed in my backyard, I'm just going to use what I have. I think it's cheaper this way. So what I do, I'm building my soil, which I'm buying soil and I'm adding soil to the sand. So as you see right here, I make a lot of hills, and I work up the land and I plant a lot of cruciferous vegetable. Right now we put it in mustard green, broccoli, kale. So all these I go ahead and transplant. I make plant a lot of okra, pumpkins, and a lot of watermelon. The seeds are not coming up yet. I haven't seen those seeds, but all these are brassicas for spring. So I just transplant them out. And as I said, if you're renting, it's hard because you cannot dig somebody land. So if you own your property, you can go ahead and just put it in the ground and save the space and time. I do a lot of grow bags, as you guys see, because I overwinter a lot of stuff and I plant a lot of stuff in the ground. But this year, 2024, I am planning on planting a lot of food. I have family member, I have friends and church, just my church family also. I want to take stuff for them on Sabbath. So what I'm doing, I'm planting a lot of food so I can give a lot. So right here, we just put these in. So I'll give you guys an update on them in the next couple of weeks, so you guys see how it's going. And I have a lot of sweet potato that I make ratoon. I leave them in the ground that I didn't dig them. So if you guys don't like me and you don't want to plant the same stuff every year, you can just leave it in the ground, like potato and yams and stuff like that. I leave them in the ground and they're just going to come back in the season. But as always, thank you guys for watching. I will see you in the next video. Want more?
Yeah.
Okay, tell auntie you want more. Go. Okay.